The beautiful outer look of Gurdwara Dukh Nivaran Sahib near railway station of Ludhiana city in the state of Punjab, country, India. तनासरी मल्ला चौथा हम अंतले अंग दिखे दिखराते कि उचाले गुरचाली सतगुर दया करे सुख दाता हम लावे अपनी पाली। इसका भावार्थ है सतगुरु आप ही किरपा करे तो सानू माया विच अन्यां नूं अपनी लड़ लावे। Gurdwara Shri Dukh Nivaran Sahib is a heaven of spirituality where the blissful Gurbani is sung for almost all the day. You may come anytime in a daytime to listen and meditate on Gurbani Kirtan to unite your soul with a true Guru. As Gurdwara Sahib is named Dukh Nivaran Sahib, means a place to release all of your pains. Gurdwara Sahib's mesmerizing environment will envelop you in spirituality as soon as you step through its doors, offering solace, cultural enrichment, or simply providing architectural marvels to admire. This revered destination promises an experience to remember for a lifetime. The charm of Gurdwara Shri Dukh Nivaran Sahib goes far beyond spiritual significance, captivating visitors' hearts with architectural wonders, both externally and internally, that never fail to stun and dazzle them. Every corner oozes divine artistry while attesting to Sikh devotion and craftsmanship. If you want to see the full charm of Gurdwara Sahib, I will advise you to come on the day of Sangran or on the day of Gurpurab and Baisakhi to see the joyous festivities, vibrant color displays, music performances, prayers and procession, giving visitors a vibrant introduction into Sikh culture and devotion. In the last, whenever you get the chance, please don't forget to come into this beautiful spiritual place for at least once in a life. The beautiful Gurdwara Dukh Nivaran Sahib near the railway station of the Ludhiana city in the state of Punjab. The nature beauty of the Gurdwara Sahib in the form of beautiful long trees and the different type of creatures enhance the beauty of the Gurdwara Sahib to attract the devotees towards itself. There are a lot of green trees which are grown up together. A lot of trees have been grown up together to enhance the greenery and to purify the flow and quality of air around the Gurdwara Sahib, which helps to create a spiritual environment to uplift the spirit of the visitors along with blissful Gurbani Kirtan. The atmosphere of the Gurdwara Sahib is very hygienic and neat and clean. Seva and Simran are the wings and the characteristic feature of the Sikhism to achieve the goal of the human worth, that is, to meet the soul with the Supreme Soul, the Lord God, Vaheguru. As the railway lines are very close to the Gurdwara Sahib of Dukh Nivaran Ludhiana, the train passing away seems to giving us a message that our human worth is also like a journey which has been given us by a God after traveling a lot of distance from a far away in the form of reincarnations, means recycle of lot of births. कई जन्म पै कीट पतंगा, कई जन्म गजमीन कुरंगा, कई जन्म पंखी सर्प होयो, कई जन्म हैवर बिरख जोयो, मिल जगदीश मिलन की बरिया, चरंग काल ए दे संजरिया. The coaches of the train seems to getting the birth taken in the past, and now after getting a human birth, it's our golden chance to meet our soul with the Supreme Soul, Vaheguru. पई परापत मानुक देहरिया, गोविंद मिलन की तेरी बरिया, अवर काज तेरे किते न काम, मिल साध संगत पज केवल नाम, सरंजाम लाग पवजल तरन के, जन्म बिरथा जात रंग माया के, जब तब संजम तरम न कमाया, सेवा साध न जाने हराया, कहो नानक हम नीच कर्मा, शरण परे की राखो शर्मा. The human birth is the last stair to uplift the soul to achieve the goal of humanity. Otherwise, लख 84 जोन सबाई, मानस को प्रभदी वडियाई, इस पौड़ी ते जो नर चुके, सो आए जाए दुख पाईदा. After visiting the beautiful Gurdwara Dukh Nivaran Sahib, going towards the Jodakar to get the shoes. Visiting here often described the atmosphere as highly peaceful, providing a deep spiritual experience. The Gurdwara Sahib is decorated with beautiful plants and flowers to enhance the greenery around the surroundings, in between the path going towards the parking. There is lot of other places as well to see, like a mini rose garden, which is just 2-3 kilometers far away from Gurdwara Sahib, which needs just hardly 10 minutes to reach there. If anyone wants to see, they can go from their source of vehicle. The washrooms are available in front of the parking to be refreshed before going towards the Gurdwara Sahib. From here you can imagine everything is maintained in a well-disciplined manner by the management of the Gurdwara Sahib. The name translates to eradicator of suffering, rooted in the belief that visiting and meditating here brings healing and peace. It is associated with the visit of ninth Guru, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib, from incredible India. According to Sikh legend, Guru Har Rai Sahib initiated construction of Gurdwara Sahib in 1641 with the noble intention of alleviating suffering and spreading love. Over time, this revered place has gained fame for its healing powers due to the sacred waters located within its ground. The site boasts a white marble building with intricate design and a large peaceful campus, making it one of the most prominent Gurdwara in the region. Known for its serene atmosphere, it hosts daily kirtan, katha and providing langar. It is easily accessible within the city and attracts many visitors, especially on weekends and during special occasions like Basant Panchami. The complex is well maintained and uses modern technology such as large screens for projecting Gurbani and provides ample parking